In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Samsung phone faster without deleting any application. So if you have tons of application on your Samsung device and it looks like your Samsung phone is lagging, this video is going to help you through to make your Samsung phone faster without deleting any application on your Samsung. And there is no need to install a third-party application. There is a built-in feature on your Samsung device that you can turn on that will make your Samsung phone 5 times faster than it was before this feature is turned on. So let me go ahead now and show you this feature. So the first thing you want to do is go to your Samsung phone settings. One of the settings, you need to scroll down and tap About Phone. Then on the About Phone page, look for Software Information and tap it. Once you tap Software Information, locate the build number and tap it like 7 times. Now, if you're using a PIN, you will need to type in your Samsung PIN to be able to turn on this mode on your Samsung device. Then click on Done, and you should say Developer Mode Enabled. This implies that you're already a developer now. Now, hit the back button and come to the bottom of the page just below About Phone. Tap Developer option, and you need to scroll down to the bottom of the page until you see what is called Window Animation Scale, Transition Animation Scale, and Animator Duration Scale. Tap on each of these and make sure you change them to zero point 0.5 from 1. Now, once you've changed window animation scale, transition animation scale, and animator duration scale to zero point 0.5, so your device will be at least 5 times faster than it was before. However, do not turn off developer mode. So once you turn off developer mode, your phone will return back to how it was. As you can see, my device is faster than it used to be. So go ahead now and say this in order to make your Samsung device faster. So guys, if this video is helpful, you want to hit that button, of course, you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.